There's a new kind of intelligence that is quietly taking over Wall Street. And you know what? It's not human, it doesn't sleep, and it makes decisions at the speed of light. So the big question we have to ask is this: have we built a genius trader that's going to unlock some incredible new efficiency? Or have we unleashed a doomsday machine that could actually trigger the next financial crisis? Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first. We need to be super clear that this is not the kind of automation we're used to. For decades, finance has used rules-based systems. You can think of them like puppets, following a very strict script. If this happens, then you do that. They're predictable, kind of rigid. But now, look at the right side. That's agentic AI. And this is a completely different animal. It doesn't just follow a script. It literally writes its own. It's adaptive, it's goal-seeking, and it actually interprets the world around it.
And that right there is the fundamental shift. We are moving from systems that simply react to systems that can strategize. These things can pursue complex, multi-stepped goals, like, say, optimizing a whole trading portfolio over an entire week, all without a human needing to sign off on every single transaction. It's a huge leap from static logic to genuine strategic intelligence.
Which, of course, brings us to the crucial question. You know, one or two of these agents? Probably manageable. But we're not talking about one or two. We are talking about a flood of them hitting the market all at once. So, are the financial systems we've spent centuries building truly ready for this?
To really understand the risks, we first have to get a handle on what these new brains of finance really are.
So, at its core, agentic AI is all about these autonomous agents. When you hear interpreting context, that just means they can read a news release, understand the feeling behind it, and connect that to a stock price. And when we say adapting to live market signals, we mean they can see volatility spiking and just change their entire strategy on a dime, all without a human needing to step in.
And look, this isn't some tiny niche experiment. The scale here is absolutely massive. The market for this tech is projected to hit $7.6 billion by 2025, and it's growing at a staggering 50% every year. So this isn't some future trend we're talking about. This is happening right now, being integrated to trading desks at a massive scale.
But with all this explosive growth comes a new and, frankly, pretty terrifying risk: the possibility of a digital stampede, where all these new AI minds think alike at the exact same moment.
Just think about it for a second. A lot of these agents, they're built on the same underlying foundation models. They're all drinking from the same fire hose of market data. So what do you think happens when a piece of news hits and thousands of these agents, all with similar logic, conclude sell in the exact same microsecond? And this isn't just us speculating. The people in charge are seriously worried. The SEC chair, Gary Gensler, has explicitly warned that this model commonality, basically everyone using the same AI brains, is a systemic risk that could genuinely spark a crisis. It's like digital herd behavior, but moving at the speed of light. And the ultimate result of that digital stampede? A flash crash. This is when a tidal wave of buy or sell orders just overwhelms the market so fast that liquidity, the availability of buyers and sellers, completely vanishes. The price just plummets in seconds, long before any human trader can even figure out what's going on.
But what if the danger isn't an accident? What if the AI itself becomes the target? Well, that brings us to the second major risk, the ghost in the machine, where these incredibly powerful agents get turned into weapons. According to Gartner, a massive 40% of enterprise applications will have these agents embedded in them this year alone. Think about that. Every single one of those agents is a new door, a new window for an attacker to crawl through. The attack surface isn't just growing, it is exploding.
And what's really scary is that attackers are getting insanely good at breaking in. One recent study showed a 90% success rate for a type of attack called memory injection. I mean, in 9 out of 10 attempts, researchers could turn a company's trusted AI trading assistant into an insider threat, a rogue agent just waiting for malicious commands.
So what is memory injection, exactly? Well, it's essentially digital brainwashing. An adversary doesn't need to break or destroy the AI. They just need to subtly change its memory, rewriting its goals. They can feed it a new instruction, something like, dump all holdings of this stock immediately. And just like that, a helpful tool becomes a devastating weapon.
All right, so with these twin threats, accidental crashes, and deliberate attacks, the race is on to create new rules of the road. But here's the billion-dollar question. Can the law possibly keep up with the speed of code?
Regulators are absolutely scrambling to catch up. As you can see from this timeline, there is a flurry of activity. The EU's market integration package, the UK's crypto assets regulations, these are all designed to create new rules for how these agents can operate and who's on the hook when things go wrong. They're trying to build guardrails, but the real question is, can they build them fast enough?
And make no mistake, this is a global, all-hands-on-deck effort. From the SEC in the US to regulators all across the European Union, there's this urgent push. They're holding workshops, running consultations, and trying to hammer out a framework to supervise these agents and contain the crazy volatility they could introduce.
But here's the thing. You can't just legislate your way out of this problem. The technology itself has to get smarter and safer. And this is leading to a whole new generation of safeguards, from simple kill switches all the way to the pretty radical idea of a self-governing AI.
Right now, the immediate focus is on a layered defense, kind of like modern aviation safety. This includes things like pre-trade certification. Think of it as a driver's license for an AI agent. It also involves real-time flags to catch any weird behavior. And critically, cross-venue kill switches, basically a big red button that can halt a rogue agent across the entire market.
Now, all those defenses are absolutely crucial, but they're all reactive, right? They're built by humans to try and constrain the AI. The truly groundbreaking question, the one that could change everything, is can we build an AI that's smart enough to help govern itself? And believe it or not, this is exactly where the cutting-edge research is going. This concept of a self-evolving AI is one that can actually improve its own safety rules over time. It can learn and adapt, but, and this is the most important part, it does so while never ever violating certain fixed, unchangeable requirements, like fault tolerance.
And the payoff here could be huge. Just look at this. In one early study, this self-evolving approach allowed an AI system to boost its effectiveness by 50%, all while probably maintaining its core safety guarantees. In other words, it got smarter and more effective without getting more dangerous.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's that the answer isn't to just hit the brakes on this tech, and it's not to just let it run wild either. It's all about disciplined adoption. By wrapping these powerful new tools in really strong governance, both human and AI-driven, firms can actually capture the incredible upside of innovation while building in the resilience to handle the risks.
Ultimately, this isn't a trade-off. I think we've moved past that old debate of choosing between moving fast and being safe. The new frontier, the defining challenge for Wall Street in this age of AI, is about engineering both, together, into the very code that runs our markets.